really great. And now we need to fuel the fertilizer spreader truck. Pump. Don't stop. Let's fertilize the soil to grow corn. We need to wash the fertilizer spreader truck. That's all. Assemble a pre-sowing unit. Done. Now we need to fuel the pre-sowing unit. Pump. That's all. Let's prepare the soil for planting seeds. We need to repair the engine. Pour the coolant. Done. First, let's assemble a covered truck. Keep it up. First, let's fuel the covered truck. Press the pump. Hooray! Let's buy corn seeds for popcorn. And now let's wash the covered truck. Keep up the good work. We need to assemble a seeding machine. That's all. Now we need to fuel the seeding machine. Press the pump. Don't stop. Let's sow the field with corn. Install the missing gears. Don't stop. Let's assemble a rotary spreader truck. Done. Now we need to fuel the rotary spreader truck. Press the pump. Done. Let's loosen the soil and add fertilizer for young sprouts. Now let's wash the rotary spreader truck. Amazing! First, let's assemble a sprayer truck. We need to fuel the sprayer truck. Press the pump. Ready. Let's water the corn crop. Connect the wires by their colors. You're doing really great. We need to assemble a harrow tractor. Don't stop. Let's fuel a harrow tractor. Pump. Ready. Let's remove weeds from the field. It's time to repair the engine. Pour the coolant into the tank. Let's install pistons on their places. Don't stop. Let's assemble a pollinating machine. That's all. Let's fuel the pollinating machine. Pump. Don't stop. Let's pollinate the blooming corn to get more crop. We need to wash the pollinating machine. Hooray! Let's assemble a corn cob harvester. Don't stop. And now we need to fuel the corn cob harvester. Press the pump. Ready. The corn is ripe. It's time to harvest it. It's time to repair the engine. Pour the coolant into the tank. Connect the ends of the wires of the same color. Done! First, let's assemble a grain truck. Keep up the good work. We made it! Keep it up! We need to dry the grain to get tasty popcorn. Let's load the grain into the elevator. We we need to wash the grain truck. We did it!